Okay, I will read the whole ayahs to 46, Surah Al-Haqqa 69, 38 to 46. فَلَا أُقْسِمُوا بِمَا تُبْصِرُونَ وَمَا لَا تُبْصِرُونَ إِنَّهُ لَقَوْلُ رَسُولٍ كَرِيمٍ وَمَا هُوَ بِقَوْلِ الشَّاعِرِ قَلِيلًا مَا تُؤْمِنُونَ وَلَا بِقَوْلِ كَاهِنٍ قَلِيلًا مَا تَذَكَّرُونَ تَنزِيلٌ مِّن رَّبِّ الْعَالَمِينَ وَلَوْ تَقَوَّلَ عَلَيْنَا بَعْضَ الْأَقَاوِيلِ لَأَخَذْنَا مِنْهُ بِالْيَمِينِ ثُمَّ لَقَطَعْنَا مِنْهُ الْوَتِينَ. The translation is, so I, that is Allah, do not divide with what you have the insight, and what you do not have the insight. Surely it is the qawl, saying of the honorable messenger, and it is not with the qawl, saying of a shair or a poet. It is little what you believe, and it is not with the qawl, saying of a kahin, the storyteller. It is little what you remember, a revelation from the Lord of the worlds. And if he has said some of our aqwal, sayings on us, definitely we would catch him with the right. Then definitely we would cut off from his aorta. Now, in this ayahs, now I am going to read the explanation of the qawl, the saying of the messenger. In the Quran, Allah says in these ayahs, say, so I do not divide with what you have the insight. The insight is what you have got the insight within us. There's a sight, this sight, and insight is to judge between the right and wrong, the insight. We have got the insight. So Allah says, I do not divide with what you have the insight, and what you have no insight, what you do not have the insight. For the messenger, ayahs of Allah, there are certain ayahs which have got we have got the understanding. So we have got the insight of those ayat. And there are certain ayats we do not have the insight of that ayat. We don't have the sight. So Allah says, I do not divide what you have the insight and what you do not have the insight. Innahu laqawlu rasulin kareem. Surely, definitely, this Quran is the saying of the messenger, honorable messenger. The Quran is the saying of the honorable messenger. وَمَا هُوَ بِقَوْلِ الشَّاعِرِ قَلِيلًا مَا تُؤْمِنُونَ. It is not with the qawl or the saying of a shair or a poet. It is little what you believe. So by the reading of an ayah, these ayahs, we have come to know that the Quran is the saying of the messenger Rasulullah, honorable. Now, what we have been told, the general understanding, again you have to discuss the general understanding. This I hold in my hand is a book of hadith, and this is the Quran. Right hand Quran, this is hadith. So they say the Quran is the qawl of Allah, saying of Allah, and hadith is the saying of messenger. So you have to believe both to understand the religion, but it's not true. Sorry. The Quran is the revelation and the inspiration of Allah to Muhammad Rasulullah. Listen to my words. Quran, Allah's book, is the revelation, means nazil. Wahi means inspiration. It is the revelation or the inspiration from Allah to Muhammad Rasulullah. This is the book of Allah. It is not the book of the messenger. It is the book of Allah. It is the revelation from Allah. It is an inspiration from Allah. Who said it? Muhammad Rasulullah. So Allah says, Innahu laqawlu rasulin kareem. So this Quran is a saying of the messenger, honorable messenger. It is a revelation from Allah. It is an inspiration from Allah. It is a book from Allah, said by messenger. And the whole non-Muslims and Muslims believe that this Quran was brought by messenger. So you must understand the Quran is the saying of the messenger and a revelation from Allah. And this you cannot make this differentiation. Whatever Allah revealed, Muhammad Rasulullah said. Whatever Allah inspired, Muhammad Rasulullah said. So innahu laqawlu rasulin kareem. Surely this is the qawl, saying of honorable messenger. So messenger said it, revealed by Allah. Messenger said it, inspired by Allah. It's simple.